Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today with this wonderful video. And in this video, we'll be walking you through on how to set a perfect entry for your trade. Some people are talking to me, in my DMs, sharing some chat with me. Some miss out on trades, some able to get in early, making profit and the likes. But I noticed that majority of them don't always get in early. They get in late, and whenever the market is trying to pull some little back, either they get stop out and they don't want to enter anymore because they lose some money or they just pick it up again. Either way. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through on how I do mine to get an early entry before the trade. Even if you have to get late to the trade, you will still also be part of the early people that get in, even if you are entering uh, for a late one. But I'll be walking through and I do my sharing you with some tools and tips and everything. And don't forget to wait till the end of this video to get every information I'm going to be packing across because I'm going to be sharing some tools and everything. And in addition, if you have not subscribed to this channel, watching this video right now, subscribe now, press the subscribe button, put on the notification, as you can see, and so as to get notified when the new videos is being uploaded. And so as not to waste our time, let's get started. Also, don't forget to check the link in the description of this video so as to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group to get setups, to get trade ideas and also communicate and chat with other people, that are also in this trading journey. And like I said, we're going to be starting with getting a perfect entry. What do we call a perfect entry? Perfect entry is maybe it might be different for you in different definition, but to me, perfect entry is whenever maybe price tap into my supply or a demand zone or my port of interest, I'm able to get in into the early move before the price start to move. Do you understand? So, and I ride on with the market flow, ride on with the trend, I know to make profit. So that's perfect entry for me. But late entry is when the market has started moving already, price already moving out of your supply or demand zone or your area of interest or point of interest. And that is when you're not getting your own entry. Because if by the time price pull back, for a retest or maybe minor breakouts, and then you are part of the early entry, you might start running in loss or getting stopped out. So, and also how to avoid some unwanted trades. I know everyone has different setup they are using, and here they have different strategy they are using that is making money for them. So I'm not here to preach to you a new strategy or tell you how I do my or anything. So but I'm going to be making it simple that irrespective of whatever strategy you're using, whenever price tap into your area of demand, area of supply, your point of interest, any area you are looking for, imbalance, inefficiency, anything, whatever you are trading, whenever price tap into your region, I just need you to do something, so as to get into the trade early before the move starts. And also, some people are using some confirmation and trades. Some people are using risk entry, confirmation and the likes, liquidity, sweep and the likes. Different sort of setup for different people because everyone have their own ways to make money. There is no wrong strategy. There is no right strategy. As far as the strategy is making money for you, you are on the right track. That's the aim, just to make money. So, the first thing we're talking about is basically when either you are identifying your area or what do you call it? Either you're identifying your area of interest, that is your demand zone or your supply zone, you understand. Make sure that the first point I will be putting here is you are following the money. So what do I call follow the money? Follow the money basically you are following wherever the financial institutions, the hedge funds, the whales are actually moving the trend across to, which is same thing as following the trend. Do you understand me? And because a lot of people just draw any supply and demand zone and just feels that price just tap into it and just bounce off and keep going their own direction that they expected. And this is things don't worry to work that way. And like I said, follow the trend, same thing. and which is things don't really work that way. Because first thing as a trader, whenever you look at the chart, is first of all identifying which trend I am, which trend the market is, the currency you are trading, which trend is it? Is it an uptrend? Is it a downtrend? Is where is the money flowing to in the market? Is the money flowing to the upside or the money is flowing to the downside? You need to first of all identify. Look for break of structure. That is why as a trader, you must be very good with market structure. If you are not good with the market structure, identifying no market structure, knowing where the market is going, know where the flow of money is with the market, know where the liquidity is. If you don't know all those things, then you are playing. And as well as for you not to play to the right thing. So this video is not possible to cover that. But I know you have a strategy already by watching this video, which is why I'm telling you how to get the perfect entry. So the first thing first is for you to follow the trend, follow the money, know where uh money is in the market, look for area of demand, area of supply, you want price to tap into. And then we move to the next point. And the next point we'll be looking at is to what? Because when people are looking for area of entry, area of supply or demand zone, some people just choose wrong entries. That is, they just choose wrong POI. They choose wrong point of interest, thinking that expecting or hoping price to tap or bounce off from these areas. And then this is what I'm saying. Though some people choose wrong levels or point of interest, you understand? They don't choose the right demand and supply. They didn't identify their market structure very well. They just feel that, okay, yeah, this is a nice area. We have a range here. Price should bounce off from here. So let me just quickly show you an example on the chart. Let's just pick something here. Are we okay? Let's choose. Should we choose? Okay, let's just go for this. Let us stress ourselves too much. Okay, so this is the SZUSD, and as you can see, let me just go straight to the point. This is some setup I had since last week. Price is going playing my way. So here, just so I'm expecting a shot from this big area. This is just a minor level because price was generating liquidity along this area. I was expecting a break, but I'm expecting a big drawdown from this region. So we are not here to analyze the market. So let's ignore that. So price is still playing according to what I expected. So now okay, this is a 4-hour time frame. So let me just pick some here. Barely looking at I don't know how people do their own supply and demand, like I said, old ways, the old ways I know of, just first of all, like zoom your distance to the back, look for some areas and then start putting, some lines on there, support and resistance. Oh, this one bounce off from here, it's touch here, bounce off, the other kind of stuff. We have all this kind of styles, these ones, But I don't really use all these ones. So let me just go back and just put it straightforward. Let me zoom back to the current trend. Um, so I know some people you'll be like, oh, this is a nice range. Oh, price should bounce up from here. They pick this one as some point of interest. They understand. And then when price tap into it, and let's go to a lower time frame to see what actually happened when price tap into it. Let's see. Okay. As you could see, on lower time frame, that is 15 minutes, price tap into it. As price tap into it, price started to push up. And at this point, some people were like, yeah, I got the right point that price is bouncing up because price is just doing some, fake out here. We call it inducement. You just playing with them, thinking that you want to push the price upward, and all of a sudden, price just knock them out. So let's go to the lower time frame to see what actually happened here. And as you can see, price even right from start, someone that knows a lot about liquidity should know that this is just a joke. Price is not bouncing up from this PUI. Yeah, you could sort of see something like double top bottom here. So let me go back to 4-hour time frame. So as not to talk too much because I want to keep two schedule, but like I don't want to say uh something that are outside the box of the scope of this topic. Okay, so like I said, some people have put a nice region here, thinking that this is a nice range, and then for a price, no, this is a demand level, as you can see, for a price to bounce off. But the question now is, did you this demand level you are identified was in line with the structure? Fine, let's check it out. I don't know how you do your own structure identification. Don't forget we have different break of structure. We have the weak break, we have the body break. I don't know which one you are using, but personally, I use body break. So if I'm using body break, then when price tries to break this, if you can see here, this we all know that this was an option, break up, break up. You understand? On this 4 hour time frame, we are in an uptrend. And we got here, price tried to break this. So this low tried to break this high. It failed, as you can see. This is just a week above. It failed. Price pushed down again. We test it. For people that are using weak break, fine, this is a break. Push up, continue upward. Like I said, everyone has their own way of doing things. So I use body break. So, and then price try to, since this particular high fails, to take it out, we only have weak. Next thing is I move my new high to be here. So this is new high now. So waiting for price to break higher for me to confirm that, okay, yeah, price is going up again. And what happened? Price tried out, failed, pushed down, and then broke it. Okay, perfect. Now, since price broke it, then the question now is, where am I expecting a retrace? Do you understand? Don't forget these are failed children. We call them failed children. You understand? They are failed lows because they failed to do their job properly. This is a failed loan. You understand? If you fail to take out this high, do you understand? And this also failed properly to take out this based on people that are using body break. Don't forget, you are using weak break. Sorry. Uh, you are right. But personally, body break, it didn't break it. So and uh Hey, Paul, let me add this. Body break means when a particular candle closes above the previous high. Like this, the body of the candle closes above. So weak break just like a week above the high. I guess you understand what I'm saying. So, uh, so like I was saying, then the question now is where is the right demand zone for price to tap into? Don't forget this low failed last time, and price push up, push down. This one also failed also to break this. So then if we are to look at it, the whole major move we have here is that price push from here, push down, push up, push down. Then all of this one is just was a single move. Do you understand? I guess you understand why it's a single move now. You should understand me now. We have here, it's only week above because I use body break. I didn't classify one as a break. So the high is moved to this point, push down, fails to also take it. If this low took this out, automatically I will be putting it here that the move started from here. But this also failed, push down and move, push up. So that means the whole original move of the breakout of this previous high started all the way from here because the whole momentum is all the way from here, but the breakout is from this range, but all these are failed children because they failed to took out the original one from here. The new high is now here, push down, push up, failed, push down, and push up again. Do you understand? I guess you understand what I'm saying. I'm trying to know fast and so as not to make this video very long. I guess now it should be around maybe around 7 minutes now. I don't know yet. So and then the question now is where is the region? Since this is a move that started, like I said, it's not a single move for me. The question now is where is the other block? The other block is the last down candle before the other. What is the last down candle? Which is this red candle. You can see, identify it out. So some people will be using some people that didn't know that didn't do the proper break of structure very well. Some people were using this area, this, and there's some people will be using this also. So some people using this area for their demand zone, other block. Some people use this area as a other block. Do you understand? There's nothing bad in identifying these areas and looking for price to tap into it and look for reactions. Do you understand? And then if you have a nice reaction and a nice combination on the chart and the price is going to bounce off from this region, then you can always go ahead and trade it. But based on this, you can see that the right area is not this first one, it's not this second one, it's just this last candle here that started the whole move because everything originated. And you can see price tap into this region. Nice move, drive up. That was so massive. That was a massive trade, bro. So now the question now is, once price tap into your region, what do you need to do? You, like I said, you have to be very patient enough. We are this where patience comes in. You understand? This is the next point, which is you have to be very patient enough that to wait for price to come into this area, because some patient trader we have to take trade from the first region. So another impatient trader will go ahead and take trade from this region. While the patient one, they said the patient dog is the fattest bone. I don't know if that is true, because nowadays I go online, see some dogs that looks like they have kwashiorkor, all the internet. And people are saying that the patient's dog are now suffering. But anyway, let's find out. So, but in trading, the patient's dog eats the fattest bone, actually. So, uh, price tapping to this area, like you see, those that wait patiently, they understand that didn't rush and like, oh, price will bounce up from here. Oh, this area, you could see even when price tap into this area, they play them very well, push the price upward. They'll be thinking like, oh yeah, we are going up now. And all of a sudden they're like, phew, you understand? So they take them out. So and the question now is, how do you get to be patient for this nice one to come into your area? And there are many ways. First of all, you can set the price alert. Set the price alert. Or what do you call it? You have many tools to set price alert. Basically, what me I do, I just, once I identify my right area of vision, I will expect price to push into or tap into. What do? I pick up my price alert app, put the price, look at the price on the chart here, put the price, maybe use from this area and this area. You understand? Put one here, put one in the middle, put one here, put it there, and then whenever price reach my region, I'll just go ahead and play my own, expecting price to maybe around this 4 hours or something. Look at maybe trend has not changed. You understand? Just to be sure everything is still intact. You understand? Or maybe you need to shift your levels. So if everything is still intact, just leave it. If it's not, then you change it. Okay, you understand? So and then from there, after waiting for the price to tap into, I will always get a lot on my phone. And then from there, I can come to my system and what? And look for entry. So let that don't price tap into my entry. And before I continue, you can use Tap Trader if you're a crypto trader. Use Tap Trader a certain price alert. I guess they have free and premium. You put the sand you want, the ringtone you want, your Tap Trader, and also Tab Trader, Tab TAB, and the trader. I'll put it in the description of this video. And the other one is a crypto, I guess Forex alert and crypto and Forex also, like the combination of crypto and Forex also. I'm also going to put the link also in the description. That's if you're a Forex trader, you need that also. Sorry, the name in the description also. The two apps, each one you want to use. So this one will help you to keep updated, like it will keep you updated in the market. You don't need to open the chart every time. You don't need to be on system 24/7 to be monitoring what is not lost in the market. You can always use price alert. You have other things you are doing in your life. Use price alert to monitor the movement of the markets. When the price alerts you, then go back to the chart and see maybe price have got to your level. Maybe you can find an entry, and then from there you take it. What happened again? Price tap into our area, Lukuya said. Then it now depend on your confirmation of entry that you are using. So some people use risk entry, tap into it, and then put their stop loss below, and then write it up. Some people use confirmation of entry. I don't know which one you are using. So, but personally, I love confirmation of entry. Just to avoid any unexpected and to minimize risk. So price tap into this region, as you can see, this is a price tap here. Last breakdown, just break for a switch. This is next break, which for price to tap back into this area. Two area here. This is 15 minutes. So you can see price broke this up, push down, push down, push down. Yeah. So price broke this up, this last low and this last high, and push up. The expect price will push back in this area, and nice one. So this 15 minutes. So some people use 5 minutes. I'm coming back to 15 minutes, sorry. Some people use 5 minutes, for entry. But since this is a 4 hour trend and price is bullish and everything we are placing along with the trend, do you understand? Automatically, you are free to use 5 minutes. I do use 5 minutes very well. Do you understand? And sometimes, if I feel something is not clear, I might decide to use 15 minutes. So If you use 5 minutes, you get a perfect early entry, but let's just ignore that. Let's go back to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes. So let's assume you just do this, put it here. Don't forget, always make sure that your stop loss covers your low, not just exactly on this point. So it now depends on where you are entering. So let's just assume short, long. Let's just assume I always use this line. So most time that means I use 50%. That's in between. Exactly in between. So let's close it up. Yeah. So now it now depends how many pips you are using. I don't know you, like I said. So I just put something on the chart, and drag it up. So this is like 7 hours approximately. So from there, so let's now assume you understand you got stopped out. Or let's assume you missed this entry in W2. I don't know. Let's assume you missed this entry. You understand? So if you miss this entry, actually, so or you got stopped out, or you didn't use a proper stop loss or anything because of this weak down, you got stopped out. Now, what do you need to do again? Wait for another break of structure. Where is the last high we had? The last high. The last high we have here. Price push down. Wait for this break of this high. Price broke it again perfectly. As you can see, price broke this high. Since price broke this high, then the next question now is where is next low? What broke this high? So we have this move broke it. So we have this region. This is a very tiny region of 15 minutes. Nice one. And then price broke it. And then what happened again? Price pulled down. It didn't touch it, then broke up again. Can you see price broke up again? You see? So where is the low again? So they just is the low. So if that is the low, what now happen again? Long, long position. Wait for price to tap into it. Because for price to remain bullish, on this lower time frame, it must protect this low. You know that. You know that. Then put your stuff or your tools on the chart. Like I said, depending on your stop loss. Some people use 20 pips. Oh, all the best. If you use this, is just like a 10 pips, about 10 pips, not 10 pips, 10 pips, and then drag it up. That's like 8 hour. You see, soft, soft. And if you just want to do like just a little bit above, above it. See, I have like 14 hour, 15 hour or something. So that was very, very smooth one. But where I actually got entry, personally, I got entry in this region. Do you understand? So I managed my stop loss very well. Yeah. And when price is breaking, I will shift of stop loss, as time goes up, like just like trading stop loss to protect yourself. So to show more about all this, that would be in another video. So as not to talk too much. So, like I said, the most important thing there is be patient. That's another price alert. You can see that I use a panel. That's the price alert. I will go ahead and check it after this video to see what's happening on the chart. You understand? So that is and like I said, be patient, and the next thing, after be patient, set the price alert and go on with your daily activities. Wait for price to alert you, just like you had now from the song that just sounded on my phone. That's the price alert of Bitcoin. I have to go and check it after this video. So, like I said, don't forget to subscribe. I will end this video here. Don't forget to share with your friends, and if you miss this entry or you go stop out here without, wow, another one again. Okay, I'm coming. I guess I need to end this video on time. So, and you got it. It's still an early entry, but it's not a bit late because it's still above, a little bit above the region. Do you understand? If you could see how price just move up 10 minutes. And anyone that missed this one, you have to like start jumping in between. So have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and love you all guys always.